Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming software and connection. Install the latest iTunes or use Finder on Mac OS Catalina and newer. Plug your iPhone with a reliable lightning cable, unlock it, and tap Trust this computer when prompted. Once done, choose your device in iTunes or Finder and glance at storage. This tells you how large the backup will be. Make sure to disable iCloud photos if you need a complete local backup. Otherwise, some items remain in iCloud rather than the computer. You now configure and start the backup. Select this computer in iTunes or Finder and decide if you need encrypt local backup to save health and passwords. If encrypting, create a strong password and store it safely because Apple cannot recover it. Click Backup Now to start. You'll see a progress indicator and an estimated time. Let the transfer finish without disconnecting. If the phone asks to remain unlocked, keep it unlocked so the backup includes all app data and settings. Finish by confirming the last backup date and time under Backups so you know it completed. Eject the device from iTunes or Finder before unplugging to avoid corrupting the file. Once done, you can archive or encrypt that backup for long-term storage. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Update iTunes and drivers, restart both computer and phone, and swap cables. Many failures are caused by outdated software or a faulty lightning cable. Then retry the backup process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.